In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Shopify domain error needs attention. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your own Shopify store. Now, this problem, like a lot of people face the exact same problem. They always see next to their domain name, they always see needs attention or a message like SSL pending. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly how you can fix this problem. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna click on settings at the very bottom left, and you wanna click on domains. Okay, now here next to your domain name, you will see something like needs attention here. Now you wanna click on that. Okay, and then they will give you here the reason, and most of the time you will say something like your domain has too many error records. Having like multiple error records might cause connection issues. So also they will ask you like to open your domain provider's DNS settings for your Shopify store, and then make sure you add this IP to its assign this IP address to its A records. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, if you see this message like something like SSL pending or needs attention, keep in mind that if you just connected your domain name, it will take 48 hours. So most of the time this message is going to clear on itself. Okay, it's going to clear on your own. You just need to wait 48 hours. Now if you already connected the domain, it's been like more than 48 hours and you still see that message, then that means you have a problem. So make sure the domain is like pointing to Shopify. So you want to go to the third party where you purchased your domain and make sure everything is correct, is set correctly. So for example, if you purchase the domain from GoDaddy, you want to go to GoDaddy and see if the domain is pointing to Shopify. Make sure the CNAME, like make sure you add all the make sure you set the domain correctly. Okay, so also like I said, if your domain has a cold flyer proxy which is not supported by Shopify, this can cause connections connection issues. So you need to remove the proxy. Okay, so if you like I said here, it says here not DNS updates can require up to 48 hours to take effect. So this is most of the time this needs attention error problem, it will clear on your own. Okay, it will clear on your own, so you just need to wait 48 hours. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this problem. If this one helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next one.